Okay, hi there. My name is Mr. Ball. So what I'm going to do today, I'm just going to go through some information for you to help you with your options. And the first one of the courses I'm going to go through is the Cambridge Nationals in IT. So um, there's the course overview. Okay, so it's primarily based around working with spreadsheets and working with databases. You'll be asked to, or you will be doing a project which will involve you creating a product in Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Access for a given scenario. And there's just a couple of things on there. It says the sort of things you'll be doing and how to make best use of both pieces of software, how to gather, store, manipulate, and present data, which is known as data management. Now, the sort of skills and understanding that you'll develop through the qualification will help you certainly if whatever you decide to go on to, whether it's further education or maybe an apprenticeship or maybe getting straight into a job. But certainly we have a natural progression into A level doing the Cambridge Technicals, which is a really good course, which we get really good results from. So if you are interested in sort of data, working with databases, working with data, working with spreadsheets, then this might interest you. All right. Okay, so over the 2 years, we'll be doing 2 units of work. Okay, the first one is the exam unit, which is R012. We're going to be doing that in year 10, and basically that's a lot of theory. Okay, so we look at sort of the project or the product life cycle, starting from planning to implementing to testing, to back to implementing to testing again, and throughout the year we look at that those different stages, because we need to do those different stages and work through them in terms of creating an end product, whether it's a spreadsheet or a database. So but that product or that you design will be in the following year, doing unit 13. So unit 12 is the exam in year 10, so we'll be doing all the theory for that throughout year 10. You do the exam in May, June, and then, like I said, the product or the project that we'll be doing will be year 11, and that's unit R013. And basically everything that you've learned throughout year 10, all the theory and what we need, you'll actually implement that. You'll actually be doing that. So you'll have to create your own product life cycle in terms of what you need to start doing. So obviously you start off with your planning, your preparation for it first, find out what the client wants. Then you have to plan for the client. Then once you plan for the client, you have to start designing it. Once you've designed it, you're testing it as you're going along. Once you've tested it and you planned and tested it, you then designed it, you implement it, then you take it back to the client, and that needs then it could need changing again. And so it's back and forward with the product. You don't always go with the first product, and then you'll learn that throughout the course. It's all about developing from the early stages, from the prototype or from version 1 to the final product, having negotiated and discussed what's good about it, what's bad about it, what needs changing about it, what you need to add about it with the client, which will be me. So that's over the 2 years. So currently, this is a new course. Only started it this year. My current year 10 class who are doing it. Really enjoying it. It's really interesting. I say when I talk about theory, it's theory that's activity based. So the kids are really getting the teeth stuck into it. So that's assessment method. That's what we'll be doing over the 2 years. The style of learning, basically, it's a mixture of theory, it's a mixture of practical base. So you won't be doing sort of writing loads. You will actually be designing stuff, whether you're using a spreadsheet or using a database. And like I said, it'll be delivered through the practical side, and the theory side will be delivered through the 2 units that I previously mentioned on the slide before this one. Okay, so we're at least so post 16 and careers. So certainly we offer a course, Cambridge Technicals, which you could apply to do in sixth form, which again is a good course. We get good results from that. And certainly if that wasn't an option for you, you fancy something different, there may be an apprenticeship you could do, and certainly which may lead on to a permanent job. But definitely you can go from doing A level up to degree level, which will then lead you on to becoming, that's just a list of jobs there. So application analyst, cybersecurity analyst, data analyst, database administrator, information systems manager. They're just some of the jobs. Okay, there are others out there. So guys, if this course interests you, then please, those who I do teach at the moment, you can ask me in lesson if you've got any questions about the course. Or if you want to, you can email me with questions direct. Okay, there's my email address. So please, guys, anytime at all, just let me know. And good luck with everything. Thank you.